Director wa skuru ya Precious Hope Mirieri Gekonge waigo kaberu mwe msibu wodi ya ichuni onera togiro muroberio ya satabiru na abanyene jiskuru osjiskuru cyabanyene na kiro kinigo kiroberio ya so muroberio yo CBC anakero gukigo cha kabene umwaka wocha.
I want to say that we as a private school association owners, we are ready for this program. For instance, here in my school, at Precious Hope School, we have all the infrastructure. It's a question of putting a few items in place so that we move forward with the curriculum. I want to tell you that this curriculum parents is the best in the world and provides knowledge and skills that are diversified for our children. And therefore, at the end of the day, our children are going to be better in all ways. Therefore, I ask and urge our dear parents, including the government, and of course other stakeholders, to come in so that we support this curriculum